Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Come with me while I go get my hair retightened. I am at 5 months, like 5.5 months, going on 6. And this is my 6-week retie. So here I am braided and banded. She is shampooing. This felt so good. That's the only time I get my hair shampooed is when I get a retie, because I'm still not comfortable trying to shampoo my hair on my own. My loctician, she's so fast, y'all. She zoomed through my head. My whole head, including shampoo, was only 4 hours. And with my last loctician, I want to say my retie with her took like 9 hours. Yes, y'all. My last retie with my last loctician took 9 hours. I was rushing this morning, so I didn't get to eat. So I ordered this Jamaican food. I had curry chicken from this Jamaican restaurant here in Warner Robins that I never had before. And it was actually really good. The curry was a little spicy, but it was really good. Normally when I get my retie, I end up with a headache. And shockingly, I didn't get a headache today. So that was new. But yeah, y'all. Here are the results. I actually told her I like how my hair look when it's old, when it's time for a retie, when it's big and full and fluffy. Like, I feel like that's when it looks the best. But we love a fresh retie too. Look at the back, y'all. Like, I don't know why I thought my hair was thin. I mean, it is thin around the edges, but I got a lot of hair. But this is me at home. You know, I gotta come and put on at home. My patio has the best lighting, but y'all, look at my hair. It is so cute. It's growing. It's just... I told her she did a little side part type thing this time, but she was like, no, your middle part is still there. But yes, y'all, I love my hair. I love my Sisterlocks. All right, bye.